Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn about dictionaries in Python, and dictionaries is our last topic in Python collection topic, and today we will close this topic. And it is similar to set, list and tuple but different in some ways. And let's start without wasting our time. First we will start with creating a dictionary. We will name it as dict and assign it the values in curly brackets. Basically, dictionary is a key value pair, which means you first have to specify a key and then its values. So I am specifying here a key name, and its value will be um, Aryan. This will be enclosed in square brackets, comma, Shivam, comma, Harshit, like this. Where I put extra apostrophe. Oh, here. Sorry. So here is our dictionary, first key and first value, and then we will put a comma here and then a new key. Let us say age and its values. Age is number, so 19, 20, 21. This is age, and we created our first dictionary. So let me explain it to you. Dictionaries are key value pairs. The values, which are these, are stored as a key. The key here is name. So when we try printing, print name, sorry, dict square bracket name. So what we are doing here is, sorry, so what we are doing here is we simply printing the dictionary value whose key is name. So let me save and run it. And what, oh sorry, I didn't put the apostrophe because it's a key. I saved it and run it. See, Aryan, Shivam and Harshit, we simply print out the dictionary value whose key is name, and when we change it to age, then it will print ages 19, 20 and 21. We can simply print whole dictionary here. I'll save it and show you. Here we printed the whole dictionary, which is this name and age, and that is how you create dictionary and print their values using their keys. So dictionaries are simply key value pairs. Now the thing is, dictionaries are ordered. You can see here the name is first printed, then its values, then age, then its values. So the order will be definite. You cannot change the order of the output, but the values can be changed like this. Dict, and in square bracket we can specify the key, and then we can change the values like square brackets first, Aman, Chelsea, Nishant. So what we did here is we changed the values of name key. Here the key was name, and we used that key to change its values. So this will change to this. Now let me save it and run it. um, Name will be Aryan Shivam, and why. Oh sorry, I didn't use equals to sign. Save it and run it. See, the names are changed: Aman, Chelsea, Nishant, and age will be 19, 20, 21. Sorry for the typo error. It's common. So this is how you can create dictionary, change its values by using their keys, and the order is definite of the dictionary. And I showed to you how you can print those values using their keys. So that was all about dictionary, guys, and I hope you like this video. Press the like button if you like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. And today Python collection topic is ended. So